Good morning students. Today we are starting practical geometry exercise 4.1 class 8th. Now construction of quadrilateral. So question number 3 is construct a parallelogram more in which OR is 6 centimeter, RE is 4.5 and EO is 7.5. These dimensions are given to us. Now let us draw a rough sketch of this parallelogram. And let us give it a name MORE. Now this OR is given to us is 6 centimeter and RE is given to us is 4.5 and EO diagonal, one of the diagonal is given to us is 7.5. Now you know that opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So if OR is 6 centimeter, then ME should also be equal to 6 centimeters. Similarly, ER and MO are also equal. So they are also of 4.5 centimeter length. So now let us start this parallelogram. So first of all, now this is a case of when all the sides of a quadrilateral and one diagonal is given to us. Length of all sides of a quadrilateral and one diagonal is known to us. So we will start it with the diagonal. First of all, we will draw a diagonal of 7.5 centimeter. So I am taking this scale and I am taking a line 7.5 centimeter line segment. And this is EO. Now at EO, M should be here, somewhere here, and R should be somewhere here. So it will become MORE parallelogram. Now what is ME? M is equal to 6 centimeter. So I will take 6 centimeter length and from E I will put an arc of 6 centimeter like this. Now what is MO? MO is equal to 4.5 centimeter. It should be equal to 4.5 centimeter. So I am taking 4.5 centimeter. And from O, I will put an arc of 4.5 centimeter. The point where two arcs are intersecting is M. This point is M. Now you can join ME and OM. Now come to the R point. Now you know ER. ER is given to us is 4.5 centimeters. So I'll take 4.5 and put from E, put an arc of 4.5. This way, by putting the compass at E, put an arc of 4.5. Now RO is 6 centimeters. So take 6 centimeter length and from E mark an arc of 6 centimeter so that it intersects the previous arc. Now it is not intersecting the previous arc. I have to increase the previous arc length. So let me draw it again. ये previous arc को मैंने थोड़ा बड़ा कर दिया है. And now they are intersecting at point R. This point of intersection is R. Now you can join this ER and OR. So this is how we will construct parallelogram MORE. Now the next question is fourth question. In this question, construct a rhombus BEST whose BE and ET are given to us. Now let us draw a rough sketch of rhombus. Rhombus is also a parallelogram. In this, all sides are equal. So BEST, it will be like this, BEST. Now BE is given to us is 4.5 and ET is diagonal. Again it's given to us is 6 centimeter. So again one diagonal and all four sides are given, because all four sides will be equal to 4.5, 4.5, 4.5. So this is a case of one diagonal and all sides of a quadrilateral is given to us. So we will start it with diagonal. First of all, I will draw a diagonal of 6 centimeter, that is ET. So here I am taking 6 centimeter line segment and I will name it ET. Now all sides are 4.5 centimeter. So I'll take 4.5 centimeter length from the scale. Now one more property of rhombus is that diagonal of rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. So first of all, we will take the perpendicular bisector of this diagonal so that we can know the midpoint of this. Now for perpendicular bisector, open the compass more than half of this line and then put an arc on both sides of the line, upper side and lower side. Similarly from E, and join this line. This is the perpendicular bisector. That means the diagonals are bisecting at this point O. You can take this point O. Now you can increase this length. You can extend this line. Now your B point should be here, B, E and S point should be here. Then it will be BEST. Now what is ET? ET is the diagonal, and if I say B point should be here, so I'll mark here BEST. Now I'll take 4.5 centimeter length and mark an arc. It is already coming here. Okay. So this point is B, and similarly on the other side also I will mark an arc of 4.5. So it's already marked at 4.5. Now join these points. BE, you can join BE, BT, and this is your rhombus. So for rhombus you have to identify where the other diagonal is also lying. So how will you identify where the other diagonals? We know that diagonals intersect at 90 degree. So we will draw the perpendicular bisector of the first diagonal ET, and then on that other diagonal which we have drawn using perpendicular bisector, we will mark the points, other two vertices of the rhombus. Thank you so much.